So guys, take your attention to this particular type of aluminum. You know, we have several types. We have quality, and we have medium, and we have even aluminum that you can buy on a very good price, but now the quality matters. Look at this type of aluminum. This is gray. It's special aluminum. So if you want us to give you such particular finishes of this aluminum, you can also come into our inbox. This is the aluminum door that was leading towards the balcony. You can have a look at it, guys, the way it is functioning. Look at it. The all opening here have been designed for aluminum only. This is our frameless glass shower cubicle. I've been telling you the difference between shower cubicles. Normally, we can have black or stainless steel accessories that are holding this shower cubicle. For this case, we've managed to put the black ones. So this is a straight shower cubicle with one door like this, guys. See the way it's functioning? Just like that. Very simple na haiharibiki. Here we have a nice header here for the shower. You can be able to enjoy yourself whatsoever with hot water as well.